This is a word problem about related rates. Let's take it one sentence at a time. The radius of a spherical balloon is decreasing at a constant rate of 0.5 centimeters per second. The derivative of the radius with respect to time. At the instant when the volume V becomes 288 pi cubic centimeters, the volume at one moment in time, what is the rate of decrease in square centimeters per second of the surface area of the balloon? The derivative of the surface area with respect to time. We have dr dt is equal to 0.5 centimeters per second. We're given the volume at a moment in time, and we're asked to find ds dt, the rate at which the surface area is decreasing with respect to time. So we're going to start by doing our work here on this moment in time when the volume is 288 pi. Remember that the formula for the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. This is going to help us solve for r. Divide both sides by pi to cancel that out. And then multiply both sides by 3/4 to get rid of this fraction. 3/4 of 288 is 216. So that leaves us with r to the third power equals 216. Cube root both sides. And the cube root of 216 is 6. We've found that our radius is equal to 6. We know that dr dt is equal to 0.5. But the thing that we want is ds dt. So everything that we do should be in service of this goal, determining the rate of change of the surface area with respect to time. We want to get at the surface area by taking the derivative of the formula for the volume. We're actually going to produce the formula for the surface area of a sphere. So it isn't something you have to have memorized. Taking the derivative of both sides of this equation with respect to r gives us 4 pi r squared. Since dv/dr is the equivalent of the surface area, I'm going to change to blue in order to better connect us to our goal. Letting capital S in blue represent the surface area, 4 pi r squared. We'll take the derivative of both sides, but this time with respect to t. So ds dt, our goal, is equal to 8 pi r times the derivative of r with respect to t. And lucky for us, that was given to us in the first sentence of our problem. Now all we have to do is plug in what we know. The radius was 6, dr dt is a half. Half of 6 is 3, 3 times 8 is 24. Left in terms of pi, this is what we get.